to fix Instagram user not found. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to fix Instagram user not found. So there are few possibilities that you are not finding that Instagram user account. First is like you have just temporarily disabled your account and just recently tried to log in it, but you are not able to log in. There are few things you need to know about this thing, that whether you can just try to log in with your phone number or the email ID, and but still you are not able to log in. Might be a possibility that Instagram has just deleted your account. In that case, you can just only make a new Instagram account and start it over all again. And the second possibility is that you are trying to find out someone on your Instagram and you are not be able to find that person. In that matter, the only possibility or the only chances is that the person might has just blocked you, or he has just recently just deactivated his account or anything else. And that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends. Thank you.